Alright, hello guys. My name is Febri Firdaus. My NPM is G1F024027. I'm student of the Information System Study Program from Engineering Faculties of the University of Bengkulu. So, today, in this opportunity, I want to maybe make a procedure text video about how to make a simple sentence with Python program. So, this procedure text will make you can make some simple sentence immediately, properly, and easy. So, let's get to the tutorial right now. Alright, before we go to tutorial, we need some tools. First of all, we need a computer or laptop in front of you right now. And secondly, we need some application for Python, like Visual Code, or we use like Python compiler in website and access that on Google or Mozilla Firefox or any others. So let's get to the tutorial right now. First of all, we need to open the application Visual Code. Okay. Secondly, we need to make a new file, this, and then you need to make a name of the file like this. After that, we need to make like this dot p dot py. After that, we can make a sentence. You need to write like this. Okay, after this step, you can make words do you want or sentence do you want like this. Okay, and then we need to press run button on this run Python file and click this. And finally, the simple text is here. Alright, that's all I can say about how to make a simple sentence with Python. Okay, bye bye.